In here is the most powerful combination of herbs that can grow your hair within 7 days. These herbs are ancient secrets for super fast hair growth, and they are already sitting in your kitchen. So if your goal is super fast hair growth, hair thickness, reversing hair fall, or even growing out the bald patches, then this is a must try for you. Our first ingredient is the mighty onions. This is one of the most important ingredients in this hair growth recipe, and I will tell you why. Onions is the richest source of dietary sulfur. And this matters because your hair is made up of a protein called keratin. Keratin requires sulfur to maintain its shape, strength, and elasticity. When you apply onion juice or the extract directly on your scalp, you are essentially feeding your hair with the exact building block it needs to grow. It enforces the hair strands from the root, making it nearly impossible to break. But that is not all. Onions also contain a powerful antioxidant called quercetin. Quercetin fights free radicals, those environmental toxins that will age your hair, causing premature growing and hair thinning. Onions also has a very powerful antibacterial property. If you have dormant hair follicle because of scalp infections, dandruff, or product buildup, onions extracts can cleanse your scalp, allowing the hair to push through the skin and grow rapidly. Up next is the absolute king of hair growth in the natural hair care community, rosemary. If there is one herb that have taken the internet by storm, it is definitely rosemary. And it is not a make-believe, it is totally backed by science. Rosemary has this magical compound that heals nerves ending and rejuvenates the nerves in the scalp. It is also a vasodilator. This means that it literally widens up the blood vessel in your scalp. When the blood vessel in the scalp widens, there is a rush of oxygen-rich blood carrying vitamins and minerals that goes directly to your hair follicle, causing your hair to grow rapidly. Rosemary is also known to inhibit the dihydrotestosterone, also known as DHT. This is a hormone responsible for shrinking hair follicle and causing hair loss. By adding rosemary to this spray, we are protecting the hair we have while aggressively stimulating new hair growth. Up next, we'll be adding in our secret weapon, cloves. If you want to skip any herbs here, ensure that it's not clove, because clove is an ultimate catalyst in this recipe. Cloves contain a high concentrate of a compound called eugenol. Eugenol is known to be the phenomenal scalp stimulant. Have you ever noticed when you consume clove, it has this slight warm tingling sensation? When you apply it on your scalp, you get that same warm effect, which drastically increases blood flow on your scalp. More importantly, clove is the ultimate solution for excessive hair shedding. If you wash your hair and you notice clumps of hair falling out, clove should be your best friend. It contains incredible antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe an aggravated scalp. By tightening the pores on your scalp, it helps anchors your hair follicle deep within your skin, preventing premature shedding. Plus, clove is rich in a deep, spicy aroma that completely masks the smell of the onions, turning this DIY spray into a beautiful, fragrant herbal mist. The fourth ingredient we'll be adding is the cinnamon stick. You might just think cinnamon stick is just for baking. It is not. Cinnamon wakes up your hair follicle. It contains a high active compound just like clove. It is also a vasodilator, meaning it widens your blood vessel. Excellent for promoting blood circulation. Unlike clove, cinnamon actually does more. It mimics the action of a gentle exfoliator. Without any harsh scrubbing, it helps dissolve sebum buildup, that sticky oil that hardens on top of your hair follicle. By adding cinnamon stick to this spray, we are ensuring that the pathway of our hair to grow are completely clear. Also, cinnamon is packed with polyphenols, which are powerful antioxidants that protect your scalp from UV damages and environmental damages. Last but not the least, we have the bay leaves. In Ayurveda, bay leaf is known as the scalp healer. Your hair are like plants and you can't grow plants in a toxic soil. Same goes for your hair. You can't grow healthy thick hair on a sick, irritated scalp. Bay leaves are your scalp healers. It is packed with vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, potassium, and calcium. But the superpower lies in its antifungal properties. A large percentage of people suffer from microfungal overgrowth on their scalp without even knowing it. That is what causes the flaking, the itchiness, and the blocked hair growth. Bay leaf can help you take care of that by cleaning your scalp and ensuring your scalp stays in good health. Bay leaves also act as a natural conditioner. While the onions and the rosemary stimulate your hair follicle, the extract from the bay leaf smoothens your hair cuticles, adding incredible shine to your hair and preventing split ends. Regardless of your hair type, whether you are a straight hair, wavy hair, fussy hair, whether you're a man experiencing male pattern baldness, or you're a woman dealing with postpartum shedding, this recipe is a must try for everyone, and I'll tell you why. It is completely chemical free. Commercial bought hair growth spray often contains alcohol, preservative, or harsh chemical like minoxidil, which can cause scalp irritation, dryness, and the dreaded shedding phase when you finally stop using it. This DIY recipe relies on plant-based compound that your body actually recognizes and absorbs very well without any side effects. This DIY recipe treats the root cause. Hair loss is usually caused by three things: poor blood circulation on the scalp, fungi or bacterial infection clogging the hair follicle, or lack of essential nutrients. The 5 ingredients used in this recipe addresses all 3 problems. It has an antioxidant property, it has antimicrobial shield, and it has a circulatory booster. All in one, you don't need anything else. Above all, it is incredibly cheap. You can make a 1-month supply of this miracle spray for less than the cost of a cup of coffee. I am convinced by this recipe. If you can challenge yourself for 30 days, use this spray back to back, and I promise you your hair will never remain the same. To make this, you'll be needing a medium-sized red onion. It is most advisable to use the red or the purple onion because it has more of sulfur content. You can also decide to add the skin of the onion because it also has a massive amount of quercetin. You will need 2 spoons of rosemary if you're using the dry rosemary. You will need 1 teaspoon of whole cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, and also 4 to 5 dry bay leaves. Lastly, you will need distilled or filtered water. This measurement is particularly to the quantity I made. If you're making more, you can increase the ingredients and the quantity of water. This recipe is something you can make and store in your refrigerator and use it anytime you wish. To prepare this, pour in 2 cups of water in a pot and bring it to a gentle simmer. Add in your herbs, but do not let it boil aggressively, as extreme heat can destroy the delicate ingredients, especially in clove and rosemary. While the ingredient is boiling, cover the pot with a lid. This is very crucial. If you don't cover it, all the essential oil will evaporate into the air, and we want it trapped into the water. Let it simmer on a low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. You will watch the water turn into this rich golden color. After about 10 to 15 minutes, turn off the heat, but still leave it covered. Let it steep until it is properly cooled into room temperature. This allows the water to extract every last drop of goodness. After it is properly cooled, strain out the tea. Now you have your potent hair growth spray. You can use this spray 4-5 times a week, preferable at night, before going to bed. If you're not on any protective style, you want to section your hair before application. This is to ensure that the spray gets into the root of the hair. Your hair doesn't need to be soaking wet, just damp at the root where it is mostly needed. Before you ask if this spray can be used on a relaxed hair, the answer is yes. It can be used on any kind of hair. This spray is water-based, so after you apply, use your finger to massage it in. You want to be consistent with this spray, as hair growth doesn't happen overnight. You can't use this spray once and expect super fast hair growth. You have to use it at least a month or 2 to actually see a significant hair growth. If you're a man watching this, you can also use it. It works for everybody because this spray is 100% natural, no preservative, so you have to store it in your refrigerator. If you do not have a refrigerator, you have to make just small quantity that you can finish within 2 days. This spray can last up to 2 weeks sitting in your refrigerator. You can also use it while it's cold because it feels amazing on the scalp and it helps close up the hair cuticles after application. If you're watching this and you're struggling with hair growth, I challenge you to take a picture of your hairline, take a picture of anywhere you're having issues on your hair, take a picture of the length of your hair, then make this. Use it consistently for 30 days. After 30 days, come and share your feedback. If you got any value from this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And also share this video to your loved ones who you think might need help with their hair. Thank you for watching. I hope I see you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye-bye.